Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to change login email on Facebook or create a new primary email. To start, open your Facebook application in your mobile device. Now tap on your profile on the bottom right. In here, click on your name. Once you are now on your profile, click on Edit Profile this time, the one with the pencil icon. Over at Edit Profile, click on plus Edit your About info. It's a button in the lower end. In here, you will see a contact info. You can now click on Edit this one so that you'll be able to change your email on Facebook. In here, tap on Manage Contact Info. Then, you will now have the option to add an email address. In this bar over here, enter any email that you want to be adding as an additional email address over at your Facebook account. Now to save this setting, you will need to enter your Facebook password and then click on the button that says Add Email Address. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.